Puno ang nasa loob.
So for Mapua,
Okay na.
it will be Jubilia jumping it up against Celso. And we are officially underway. Unang possession, makukuha pa ng Mapua. At eto na, substitution. Jomel Puno off the bench. Yun ang ginusto sana ni Coach Yuri Escueta.
Parang ganun na rin. Kasi outside lang ang nangyari doon. 4 seconds lang ang nawala after that jump ball. So, coming off the bench pa rin.
So these two teams meeting for the first time in the NCAA since Game 3. Mangubat, the rookie.
Grabe, layo nun.
4.9 yun, bro.
Oo. Kung sa pro yun.
Payosik, will he have a breakout game today? Finals MVP nung nakaraang taon. At eto na, James Payosik. Aatake, titira.
Palpal.
Celso,
Ayun.
first basket.
Nasa palpal yung tira ni Payosing doon ni Concepcion pero nakuha ni Celso.
Joe Celso started majority of the games at center para sa San Beda at may foul dito kay Gonzalez.
Actually, they were pressuring the who's handling the ball dito para sa mga taga San Beda. Pero medyo napasobra yung pressure ni Gonzalez kay Escamis doon. Pero good sign ito para sa Beda na they were aggressive from the start of the ball game.
Setting the tone, lalo na sa defensive intensity nila. Masyado mababa yung pasa. Mapupulot ni Iliane. Escamis. Wild shot by Clint. And Mapua runs out of time.
Sobra sa pressure yung ng San Beda. Ito yung ito yung maganda sa mga ganitong, alam mo yung matinding laro eh. Dahil alam mo pagsasimula pa lang dikdikan na agad eh.
At makikita mo yun lalo na sa depensa. Kung gaano katindi. And also with the rebounding, crashing the boards are the Cardinals. Jubilia, aatake. Jubilia falling down. Iliane. Another turnover for Mapua, and we will go courtside to Flo Del Agua for her first report.
Anton and Bo, we can call this game a rematch. Pero para sa San Beda Red Lions, this game is an opportunity. Team captain Yukian Andrada says winning today means they become higher in the standings at importante ito sa kanila dahil in the past years they've struggled with the twice-to-beat advantage at ayaw na nila maulit yan this season 100. Para naman sa Mapua Cardinals, this game is a restart at kapag nanalo sila ngayon, mabigat ang kumpiyansa na baon nila papasok ng second round. Paalala nga raw ng coaches nila, iba yung last year at iba na tayong Mapua ngayon. There's a lot of history for both teams, but they are focusing on their ultimate goal. So let me raise this question to all the NCAA fans. Is this game a look into the past, or are we already seeing the future? Your thoughts, Anton and Bo?
That's a tough question right there.
Hindi rin namin alam. Hindi naman kami yung naglalaro. So. But it's a good question though.
For Mapua, they don't want to look at the past anymore.
Oo naman. Oo. Pwede dito sa San Beda. Past pwede. Pero dito sa Mapua, they're gonna go with the future. Kasi nga, in their past, medyo
Nabigo.
struggle sila.
Oh, Jubilia saving the ball. But momentarily, a lapse there for Jubilia. And fast break para dito kay Andrada.
Kita mo naman yung intensity nung magkabilang teams. Walang gustong mag-give up. Bagsak agad sa floor with only 3 minutes na nakakalipas sa ball game natin. Talagang, kumaga, very important every possession for them.
Escamis misfires. Igliane, bounce pass. Concepcion. Short range. Short stab.
Good rebound para dito kay Igliane.
Gonzalez. Depensa ni Mangubat. Payosing. Ito na ba? Wala pa rin.
That's his second attempt sa labas.
Concepcion. Agresibo. Jubilia. can't finish at the rim. Concepcion foul.
3 possessions para dito sa Mapua. San Beda needs to do a better job. Ito yung huling fumble natin sa half court na hayakanap ng tagle itong si Andrada. Ito naman yung tira ni Escamis. Rebound by Igliani. Itong Igliani ang ano sa offensive rebound eh. Alam niya kung saan, kung saan yung talsik ng mga bola.
Tsaka ang laki ng ginaling ni Igliani from last year. Last year, played sparingly kasi lahat ng minuto na kay Warren Bonifacio.
Oo, tsaka kay Paulo Hernandez doon, di ba? Pero now, he's starting tapos nagtutuloy-tuloy na.
Isa pa sa mga nagsa-step up ngayon, itong si Yam Concepcion. Nabibigyan na rin ng minuto ni Coach Randy Alcantara.
Ang isa rin sa magandang nilalaro dito para kay Coach Randy is yung recto.
And what about this, Bo? Bismarck Lina. Pinasok na agad ni Coach Yuri Escueta. Did not play until last game. Ito yung nakareserva, number 34, Bismarck Lina.
Ang laki rin eh. So another size for them. Ito naman si Nigel Gonzalez.
Gonzalez told me before the game that he's back to 100% after suffering that sprained ankle in practice several weeks back. Gonzalez. Puno. Lina wants to post up. Maliit yung kanyang bantay.
Oo. And as you can see, tingnan mo yung front line ng ano. Ito naman si Sohonia. Ito walang ano to. Walang pakialam to. Pagka nakakita ng bubang to, tira to.
And Sohonia gives San Beda a 10-6 lead. Medina from the baseline.
Kala ko short. Hindi diretso yung follow through.
Medina.
Zone to. Naka 1-3-1 ngayon ang San Sebastian. Trying to get into their zone offense. JRU wants to get that shooter loading on the corner.
Wow, Raimundo staring down Richo. And a chance to complete the three-point play. Ito yung sinasabi mo kanina. Walang flicking of the wrist on that shot by Medina. Ball movement by the San Beda Red Lions, the defending champions. Gonzalez sinking the corner triple. At ito naman yung kasunod.
Hindi pwede yung ganong classic closeout lang dyan kay Sohonia. Kahit pa atrasin mo pa siya na medyo 1 metro pa sa 3-point, kayang-kaya niya yan. Eh pag tinignan mo yung front line nitong San Beda, Puno, Andrada, and Lina, ang haba, ang lalaki.
Jomel Puno checking in. He's been San Beda's best player in their last 3 games. And that's a turnover, double team on Escamis.
Hindi nila binibigyan ng puwang itong si Clint Escamis. Pag lumabas siya coming off a ball screen or a screen, they were doubling him. Parang kumbaga nga nito is i-give up na ni Escamis yung bola.
At ito na, first post-up opportunity. Dinoble team agad, Bo si Lina.
Ang laki eh. Di ba? And he finds Nigel Gonzalez on top. Yun naman ang kagandahan dito. If you recognize that you were being double, find somebody who's free and he finds Gonzalez on top. That's his second 3 points.
So mas lumalim pa lalo yung rotation ng San Beda ngayon with the return of Bismarck Lina.
Actually. And you have a legit post presence na. Ito naman si Cuenco gumanti ng 3 points doon.
Cyrus Cuenco. Second leading scorer para sa Mapua, Andrada.
Kapitan ng mga bedista.